riding through this world all alone. God takes your soul.
You know when you take that vote and it's unanimous? You know what that means? Mr. Mania. And you can treat yourself with a nice Cuban cigar for a good job. Well done.
We'll try to find the perfect flavor for our beloved Jack, so we decided to do a melon concoction. Because we all know Jack loves melons, and so will you.
Hey, have y'all seen that first lady with the rose tattoo? I'm looking for her. Hershey's red and filled with creamy delight. And Hershey's got an addictive side.
This ain't your ordinary town. We do things a little bit differently here. But we do believe in tradition. So we could only offer our new improved taste, a creamy goose that will get you ready for the open road. Just be sure to stay on your side of the road.
This flavor has remnants of our beloved club. While meeting with the Mayans. What you got for me there? What is that? Speak. I'll bring the sweetness. You got the cinnamon? Is that what that is?